today with a special guest. We go way back. We decided it's 12 years, not 15. You moved to Oakland and immediately started working at the restaurant I was running like a week later, or maybe that week. And today we have a special cocktail for the holidays.
We do. We're going to be making a spicy pear margarita. Yeah. Not to be confused with a spiced pear margarita, because there is going to be a little heat in here.
Spice for spicy.
Yeah, because we're spicy.
Spicy. Okay, so.
Merry Christmas.
Very Christmassy. If you celebrate Christmas,
right.
Or if you have to celebrate any holiday with your family, honestly, tequila's the answer.
Tequila's always the answer.
Tequila's always the answer.
Yeah. Okay, so the first step in making 2 spicy pear margaritas is 4 ounces of a Blanco tequila. There's plenty of great ones on the market. My favorite is, and it has been for many years, Espalon. So we're going to do 4 ounces. That's 1 drink, and then this is the second. The next ingredient is going to be this St. George spiced pear liqueur. Really, really lovely. You can do this with fresh pear, Bartlett, whatever's in season, but if you don't feel like dealing with all of the muddling and the fine straining, this is actually a really lovely alternative. So we're gonna do a full ounce. I'm gonna flip this over and do another half, so 1.5 ounces. It's actually not super sweet, so you can use a little extra. Next, we're gonna just throw in just a little monk fruit syrup to balance it out, not even 1/2 ounce. So when I'm looking at this jigger, I'm gonna go right about 0.25 ounces of the monk fruit syrup. This is a great alternative to sugar. It is based from a monk fruit melon based out of China. Very low glycemic index, great to cut the sugar. The next step is going to be doing the lemon. So we are going to do 1.5 ounces of lemon, which would be around 3/4 of an ounce per cocktail. So I'm going to get these squeezing. Take your time. You always, always, always want to use fresh squeezed citrus regardless of your cocktail. So that's around 1 ounce right there. So let's add in the rest of the lemon. A Fee Brothers Black Walnut Bitters. Kind of hard to find. If you need to omit it, omit it. There's a few other options. I would just do 2 quick dashes. It's just to balance things out. Our spice blend, which is cayenne pepper, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Just a little pinch. And the salt in it, there's a little salt in here as well, and that actually really helps to balance out the cocktail. So now we're gonna grab some ice. You wanna add a nice amount of ice because you wanna get this nice and cold. You wanna vigorously shake it. So we're gonna grab ice that does not want to be grabbed. Okay. And we are going to shake this nice and vigorously. I try and, like, in my head count to like 10 or 20. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. All right, sing that once and you're good. Okay, and now we are going to use a fine mesh strainer. We're going to use a nice fancy glass, nice coupe glass, or martini glass. Fill that up, just like so, not all the way. And then we are going to garnish this with a fresh slice of a fall Bartlett pear. And you can get creative however you think it's gonna look pretty for you. I kind of like some thin slices. So you can add just 1 or 2 to the side, depending on your mood. And then we're gonna just do a little dusting of this on top. So there we go.
Cheers and happy holidays.
Cheers.
It's good. Yeah.
Not bad.
That was perfect. Yeah.
Not
No,
bad.
not sweet at all.
Even if you don't love spice, it's just a hint of it.
And you get your daily dose of fruit too.
Yep. Yum. Happy drinking.
Tequila's always necessary.
Tequila is always necessary.
It's a vitamin.
Yeah. I think it's a prebiotic. You can look that up.
It's definitely killing something.
Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty sure you don't blow dry your hair.
No.
No, air dry.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
A towel maybe.
Yeah. I tell, yeah.
That's it.
And my topicals.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have.
This is recording.
Yeah, just
Sweet.
this whole thing.
Hair
All
gab.
of it. Yeah.
With Ronnie.
I'll just pop that in there somewhere.